This took a while because things are not perfectly square, but we got ourselves a drawer. And I think it's aligned pretty good. I'm gonna clean up some spots there with my sander, and then the next thing that I'll do is put the door face on, which is gonna be another trick. Everything's tricky. So in here, what I did was, because I need two equidistant slides and this side's shorter, I put one out as far out on this curb as I could. So that's good. Does a nice soft close too. Wow, it took a while though. A lot of fooling around trying to get everything level and not hitting anything. But another small task done. Well, I've got the drawer front on, and I was disappointed, but I had to screw it in because there's a lot of torque. But it's in there, and I mean, it's solid, so that's good. Now I'm working on the corner face, the corner cabinet cover for that lower bottom. Well, I had gotten very, very far along in the kerfing of the door for the curved cabinet, and the spaces were getting thin for my large skill saw. So I thought, well, I'll get the little one out and I'll cut in between. It has a smaller, thinner blade. And I set it slightly too deep on the first cut and it cracked the board. So let's take a look. So here's the board with the many, many, many cuts, and you can see some of them could still be split in two, quite a number of them. But it was getting difficult. My saw was, anyway. So I did one really, really thin cut right there, had it set too deep, and the board cracked. So this is, I mean, I don't know, that's uber compromised. I can't use that. So it's back to the grinding board. I don't know if they sell thin saw blades. What I'm really thinking about, and I've been thinking about it for quite a while, is maybe I just need to invest in a table saw, because, you know, this could be all more exacting and I'm probably going to need it for the rest of the build. So I've been looking at them. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll invest. We'll see.